Automatically, when you think of buffalo mozzarella, you think of that classic Italian salad, caprese salad, which is tomatoes and basil. But there are so many different ways that you can serve your buffalo mozzarella. Just like this way, which has got a bit of a French twist to it, I'm going to make a ratatouille and serve it warm with a beautiful plump ball of mozzarella. Super delicious. So I've just been frying off some onions and some capsicum. I really like to give them a head start before I start adding in the zucchini and the eggplant, just to take the rawness away from it. And then in with one large zucchini, I've got the skin on, just cutting them into cubes, and then one medium-sized eggplant. Now, I like to take the skins off the eggplant for my ratatouille. It just breaks down the eggplant slightly, and it takes away the bit of flavour from it. So in that goes, along with a generous pinch of salt for ratatouille, and I might add another glug of olive oil. Ratatouille is a French vegetable stew. It's delicious to go with any type of meat, but it's also fantastic with a cheese like buffalo mozzarella. So I'm going to give that a quick mix and just coat all of those vegetables in the onions and capsicum, and one tomato that's been diced. It really is quite a lovely summer-style stew, this. Clove of garlic. And I'll finish off with a bouquet garni, which is a combination of thyme, and there's bay leaves in there along with some parsley. All right, that is it. The lid goes on, and that'll cook now for 20 minutes or until those vegetables really cook down. Then cool it slightly. You don't want it to be piping hot. We want it to be warm with our buffalo mozzarella. All right, the ratatouille is cooked. You can see how much the vegetables cook down. They're super soft. It smells fantastic. I'm going to just grab a few spoonfuls of this, place it into the middle of the bowl. We'll take away the bouquet garni. We won't want that in there. And make a tiny little nest in the middle. Now, many people ask me what the difference is between a buffalo mozzarella and just a regular mozzarella. So obviously it's the milk. This is made with buffalo milk, and it has a higher fat content, which means it's creamier and more lush. And have a look at this. When you break into it, it is just gorgeous. Oh, I love buffalo mozzarella. So I'm just going to place this on top of our ratatouille. And I love to finish it off with some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Just right over the mozzarella, and a pinch of salt and freshly cracked pepper. And this must be served with some crusty bread and a small sprig of basil on the side. That is the taste of summer right there, showing off delicious buffalo mozzarella.